Let's 1v1 some flour and see how smacked we get.
A few hits later.
What's up, y'all? Ooh, it smells sweet and citrusy, super citrusy. Like a water ice. Yo, it's like sitting right here. I don't know, my body feel light. It's like attacking the back of my head. I feel like somebody just, shit, that actually kind of hurt. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. It's not like, this is a tough fight. I'm good. It's just like, I don't know where I'm at. Like, I'm super calmly locked in. I could get a bunch of shit done right now, honestly. Hold on real quick. I feel like I'm in the middle of doing an X-ray on Mortal Kombat. I'm doing it though, I ain't getting whooped. I'm like, pah, 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 pah. Limonene is the dominant terpene here at 0.29%, which I get, cause like my brain feels super comfy right now. And I do feel like very uplifted in a sense. I'm like, yo, I feel good. I got Naruto playing in the background right now. And for those who don't know, I'm the biggest Naruto fan ever. Hold up, y'all, Killer B is signed. Like, I'm really a fan. I love, this is one of my favorite characters. Shout out Killer B, it's the best rapper in all of anime. Honestly, I feel like B. I don't know, I could be very creative right now. I feel super nice. I'm not really a taste person either. Like, I don't mind it. I just think sometimes taste can be a little overwhelming. But the taste here, the limonene also shine through crazy. It's just super citrusy. It's really nice. I'm a fan of this already. Linalool is the second terp at 0.24%, which is probably why I feel so relaxed. I'm not gonna lie, I could go to work after a 1v1 with this. This just feels, I feel good. Yo, I feel really good. I'm chilling, and it's ironic. That is so ironic. I'm chilling. It'll make sense in a second, but like, I'm chilling. I feel meditated. Like, my body feels at peace. I just feel at one with myself. Like, you could throw me in Mortal Kombat right now. I really do it to him. Caryophyllene is the third terpene with 0.24%. Man, this profile is nice. We gonna log this in the book. Limonene, linalool, caryophyllene. This is the perfect morning 1v1 for me. I love this. I'm absolutely in love with this. The more this settles in, the more relaxed I feel. Like, the limonene had its fun at the beginning, but the linalool and the caryophyllene now is taking over, and my body just feels really good. It's not nothing too heavy, it's just consistent. Like, that's it, it's just going. Yeah, man, I'm a fan of this, yo. I'm not gonna lie, I'm here for this. We're at 1.2% terpenes in total, which isn't bad. Honestly, if this was closer to 2%, I think this would be a little bit too much. I think this 1.2 is like a sweet spot for this. I wouldn't change this at all. We also have a hard hit chance of 33%. We've talked about this before. Hard hit chance, the power behind those hits, if it hits you, but the terpene percentage is the accuracy, right? So the higher the terpene percentage, the more like direct of a fighter the flower is. But this is like a perfect meet in the middle right now for this. The 33% on the hard hit chance is like, when it gets you, it gets you. But that 1.2% on the terps is super nice. It's real calm. Individually, the percentages feel like super nice. I am like thoroughly enjoying this right now, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm like really a fan. Trained by Oreoz and SuperBoof, which I've had the pleasure of 1v1 in both. I think the Oreoz is what I'm feeling right now. The heaviness in the body and like just the calmness overall of an Oreoz feels super good. The SuperBoof absolutely is the taste and the smell, 100%. I don't even have to question it. Haven't had 1v1 SuperBoof before. It's super citrusy. It's like, it is all taste, all smell. It's a pure head fight. That's where I think this started. Was the SuperBoof was the smell, the taste, and the initial hit. And then as that hit settled and the hits kept rolling, the Oreos came through, but it was just real light. The SuperBoof counteracts them Oreos. Chef's kiss. Like, we got a good one, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a huge fan of this. SuperBoof and Oreos. Who would have thought that this would have made such a good combination? I wonder how they came up with this, honestly. I wonder whose idea it was to be like, let's put these two together. And then for real, why did you do it? This is such a nice combination. Yeah, y'all, I'm enjoying this. I'm smacked. I'm not gonna lie. I'm smacked, but I'm like comfortably smacked. I'm in such high spirits right now. I'm in high spirits. I'm just floating, yo. I could chill, man. We might have to, when we go do reactions and whatnot, I think this is one that we gotta put down for TV shows and movies. This feels real nice. Like, I would love to watch something right now. Like, outside of what I'm watching right now, you know, shout out to Naruto. We watching the Chunin exams right now. Yo, shout out to Rock Lee, man. When Lee dropped the weights, that was such a crazy moment, bro. Lee is so tough. Oh, man. Rock Lee is so tough. I wish they would have gave him more moments in the show, especially later on. I wish in Shippuden he would have shined a little bit more. And then Gara, man. Gara was tough. Gara's one of my favorite characters. I love Gara, man. Gara's character progression was dope. And it's crazy because I thought he was going to be a villain for a minute, but he just needed his ass whooped. That was it. Gara just needed somebody to whoop his ass one good time and be like, I still fuck with you. Trained by SuperBoof and Oreoz, phenomenal combination. Today, we have had the pleasure of 1v1ing and being smacked by Sub-Zero from Rolling Green. Yo, this is fire. So the cross is crazy and the name is beautiful. Sub-Zero, it's like perfect because I feel like frozen. You know, they got me in the Lin Kuei. This was cool. Sub-Zero by Rolling Green, I really enjoyed this. I really had a good time with this show. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh yeah, I got this Melina Funko Pop. I forgot I had this. I had this sitting here literally because it's called Sub-Zero. Yeah, y'all, I got a huge Funko Pop collection. Maybe one day we'll go through it, but it's a lot. I got like stuff from My Hero Academia. I got horror Funko Pops. I got like the Naruto ones. I got 2 of Flavor Flav. Like, I have so many random things. But yeah, have you 1v1 Sub-Zero before? And I ain't talking about in the game neither. If not, wow, this is awesome, bro. I'm like, this is really hard to do right now because my mind is like, Yo, this was Ali. Thank you for joining me. And I'll see you next time on A Few Hits Later. I feel like I forgot to say stuff.